Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video we are going to create this simple part in SolidWorks. So let me enter into here new part. Now only single view we are having here, so we need to understand this diagram first. As you can see, just one profile shape is there like this, and material is added with diameter of 10. So here diameter of 10 means material should be added with circular shape. So if they have given only 10 mm, just we can create one profile and we could have made here extruded bars, but in side view they need to provide here how much width we need to do. But here we are having diameter of 10, so material should be added with circle shape only. So very simple part, just we can create this center curve and we can make it here swept bars with a diameter of 10. Now let me enter into here front plane. So just I'll start from somewhere here, one line we want. Just I'll start from here, one vertical line, one curve we are having here. Just come forward, go backward, you will get curvature like this. Then next to that, one more curve we want. Again, come forward, go backward, one more curvature you will get like this. Then next to that, one vertical line. So just I'll create one vertical line. Then one more curve, come forward, go backward, you will get one more curvature, then one vertical line. Now just we'll make relation between, as you can see, this curve center point should be exactly straight to this line. So we'll apply relation between this to this line. We need here coincident. It will be straight to that. Just go for smart dimension. We'll give dimension. This length we need here 35. Then this radius we are having here 50. Then this radius we are having 25. Next, this radius we are having 25. Then this height from end point of the line to end of this curvature we need 50. From this point to this point we are having here 50. Then dimension from this line point to end we are having 76. From this one to this we are having here distance of 76. Relation between this curve to this line we need here tangency like this. As you can see, we got fully defined sketch. Just go for exit sketch, make it normal or make it isometric. We need to add material with a diameter of 10 circle. Directly we can go for swept boss. As already we know, we'll be having here circular profile. We need diameter of 10. Just say that's it. Very simple part design here, this one. So in these conditions, just we can create one central curve and just we can add material by using here swept boss. I hope you have liked this video.